The Courageous Elephant and His Friends. Once upon a time, a wise and gentle elephant named Elliott lived in a lush green jungle. He was known for his immense wisdom and kindness, and he had 3 best friends: a mischievous monkey named Max, a graceful deer named Daisy, and a courageous lion named Leo. They were inseparable and always embarked on exciting adventures together. One day, as the friends were strolling through the jungle, they came across a small village on the outskirts of the forest. The villagers were sad and worried, and their houses were in a state of disrepair. Elliott and his friends asked what was wrong, and an elderly villager explained that the village was suffering from a terrible drought. The crops were dying, the water sources had dried up, and the villagers were in desperate need of help. Elliott's kind heart was moved by the villagers' plight, and he called a meeting with his friends. They brainstormed a plan to bring back life and prosperity to the village, and Max suggested that they travel to the legendary Wise Turtle, who lived near a mystical waterfall deep within the jungle. The Wise Turtle was believed to have profound knowledge about the secrets of nature, and he might be able to help them solve the drought problem. Excited about the idea, the friends set off on a thrilling journey through dense forests and treacherous paths. After days of travel, they reached the waterfall and found the Wise Turtle resting near its serene waters. Elliott humbly requested the Wise Turtle's assistance, explaining the villagers' predicament. The Wise Turtle listened attentively, and after a moment of contemplation, he shared his wisdom with the friends. "The solution lies in cooperation," said the Wise Turtle. "The elements of nature are interconnected and the balance must be restored. Bring the villagers together and teach them the importance of working together to conserve water and take care of their environment. Let them understand that their actions can make a difference." With this wisdom, Elliott and his friends returned to the village, eager to share the Wise Turtle's message. They organized a gathering and spoke to the villagers, explaining the significance of preserving their natural resources. With passion and conviction, Elliott urged everyone to work together. The villagers, inspired by the friendship and wisdom of the elephant and his friends, joined hands to dig trenches and collect rainwater. They planted trees to prevent soil erosion and built small dams to store water during the rainy season. As the days passed, the villagers' efforts bore fruit. The crops flourished, and the once dry fields turned green and abundant. The village was rejuvenated, and the people were filled with joy and gratitude. Word of the villagers' success spread far and wide, capturing the attention of neighboring communities facing similar challenges. They sought guidance from the wise elephant and his loyal friends, and together they restored harmony to the entire region. The moral of this fable is that cooperation and teamwork can overcome even the most daunting challenges. By working together and caring for our environment, we can create a better world for ourselves and future generations. And so, the wise elephant Elliott and his loyal friends Max, Daisy, and Leo continued their adventures, spreading their wisdom and inspiring others to make a positive difference in the world. Remember, dear children, always be kind, caring, and supportive of one another, and never underestimate the power of cooperation.